Around the world, around the world, around the world, around the
from a female, yes. Here are some monkeys. Look at their fur. It's very furry. And look at their ears. Their ears are called listening to their surroundings. And they've got very, very sharp jaws. They can crunch into anything, like bamboo, or any... No. From monkeys, we went to caveman. They've evolved from monkey very well. They've learned how to make fire and how to build homes. Here is a caveman dragging its prey to its death. This monkey is being very unfortunate because they are very fast and the caveman is really fast. When we were caveman, shortly after that, we became humans, and modern day life had come.
Sorry, didn't see that. Nowadays, we own monkeys as pets, or in zoos. Now the timeline has changed. But sometimes monkeys are now brutally violated and start getting attacked by their owners. This is not how society should be.
Wastelands through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on